energetics plus systems and strategies. Energetics plus systems and strategies. This is how I help my clients create extraordinary results by combining energetics, vibrational alignment practices and tools, and all the quantum business systems and strategies that I myself have implemented to build a 7-figure coaching business. The reason I share this is because I had a beautiful soul reach out to me not long ago, literally a couple of weeks ago, and said, I didn't know you drilled down on all the nuts and the bolts in building a marketing machine and all the techie stuff too. I thought you were just vibe stuff and frequency stuff. And she goes to me, so just some feedback. I think you should share more about your skills to deliver this, as the core nuts and bolts is what would have had me saying yes to working with you sooner. And I thought to myself, well, if she doesn't know, maybe you don't either. So I run a mastermind called the Subatomic Shift. The Subatomic Shift recodes your entire personal energetic frequency so that you have a permanent shift into the reality of your dreams. And I work specifically with online business owners to help them create more income, more impact, more time freedom, and to get their business to a place where they get to create the money and the time and the space freedom to then go, hey soul, what else? What else do you dare to explore? What humanitarian projects do you want to birth on this planet? And for me, this was Love Wins, the music concert. And you know, from years from now, I know will be the annual charity galactic conscious music concert that shifts the collective consciousness into love. And this is why I'm such a custodian, such an advocate for Subshifty. Yes, my mastermind has a nickname. I adore Subshifty because this mastermind teaches manifestation in the most potent way and combines the latest high vibe business systems and strategies. So I teach others how I grew my online business to create this life, this level of freedom. And so for me, it's like the best parts of me, all of me smooshed into one little package. I'm giving you all of me and all that I know, how I created a true life of abundance, both internal and external abundance. So maybe you've been sitting on the fence for a while, thinking about maybe potentially one day, someday working with me, but don't really know what this would look like. So let me give you a breakdown. Full transparency, here's the journey. So within the 12-month container, there are 3 terms. Term number 1 is subatomic marketing and abundance. Term number 2 is leadership and lead generation. Term number 3 is quantum influence immersion. And over this 12-month journey, we go super deep, where we blend science with spirituality and the most potent manifestation tools for you to have a shift at your core and manifest your deepest desires into physical 3D reality. And then we combine this new elevated frequency of yours with the latest potent business systems and strategies that you need to implement in order to be a magnet for your soulmate clients or tribe and have your sales skyrocketing with full integrity. Right? Because integrity is important, and create this with such ease and grace and flow. So over the 12 months, you will blend with the frequency of money and receive upgrades. You will create and upgrade your wealth mastery identity to match your impact, freedom, and financial goals. We're going to get you to align your 2 minds, to have your subconscious mind working on autopilot for you, and also teach you how to start communicating with your light beings, your galactic team. So you shift from manufactured clunky growth into co-creating with your galactic team, with the universe, and having relevant marketing content that speaks directly to your bullseye client flow through you. You're going to get to permanently shift your dominant emotional frequency into high vibe, so you start manifesting like a boss, and implement potent $1 million rituals and routines that have you feeling like $1 million in the now. And of course, implementing the latest high vibe business strategies and systems for lead generation and sales. This includes building out a laser lead funnel, setting up content automation so quality leads are flowing in every week, how to create content and video that converts, how to create a lean mean marketing machine. This includes my Facebook ad strategy, strategy to build trust with your audience, how to create your own challenge that is true to your own unique message that converts to premium paying clients, and also building out a high converting landing page, meaning you literally get access to all of my highest converting landing pages, and you get to click, 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 change your logo, change your text, insert the video, and bam, away you go. We even cover how to build out your own program, how to set it up, all the tech stuff, and then how to actually sell it, and so much more, but I'm not gonna bore you. And a lot of this tech stuff is actually done in the 3-day live events. And then we get to integrate and build it out and maintain it within the fortnightly online trainings within the mastermind, whether you've come in for the full 12-month journey or just a term. So if you wanna know more and you would love to be in the room with me for the next live event, I invite you. For those of you that are truly open and truly out to make big dreams happen, those of you that are right now part of this planetary shift, that have a message, that has a product that needs to get out there, and you want to reach your soulmate clients, and if you're 110% committed to your dreams, I invite you to come and join me for the big journey. I'd love for you to book in a chat with me, where we're going to map out a plan for you step by step to see if this is in alignment for you now. I love you, and remember, your vibe attracts it all. I look forward to talking to you.